Malang in the theater itself, but now it is on Netflix. So yeah, Malang. I mean, right from the name, it's a very the sort of film that will have. It has everything. It has drama. It has revenge. It has action. It has Malang, which is happiness. Now that everything depends on your definition of happiness, because I mean, in terms of the show as Goa and water sports in Goa, which you can see through the movie trailers itself. But on the whole, Malang is the sort of film where the script writer, basically, I think, he's my soul brother, or we are like, because he's trying to convey so many things all at once. So yeah, so really, people, Malang is the sort of film you should watch for Disha Patani, who, what she's doing in the film is also pata nahi, because but it's a very honest performance she puts up. But on the whole, Malang is a film you should watch, I would say. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.